So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can view the status of someone on WhatsApp without them knowing. And for that purpose, you first of all don't have to open the WhatsApp, but you first of all have to open App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that, go to the search bar and search in here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And when this WhatsApp app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your WhatsApp. If your WhatsApp is not up to date, this is not gonna work. After updating WhatsApp, you have to open it and you have to go to the status tab. Now, for example, this is the status that we want to view without them knowing. So what you have to do is you have to open the next or previous status of the one that you want to view. For example, this is the previous status and this is the next status of this one. Just play the previous status and you have to tap and hold on it and slightly swipe to the status that you want to view, but don't release your hold. And here you can see that I am able to see the status without the scene. I'll show you in just a minute. And after seeing the status, just get back to the previous or next status, and after that just go back. And here you can see that this status is still unseen, and I was able to see it without them knowing and without the scene receipt sent to them. Now if you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.